This is the most expensive thing we have ever unboxed on this channel. $650. Stay tuned if you want to see what's in this. Alright, what's going on everybody? Bape Keychain back again with another project. I realized I didn't say that in the last video. So if you didn't notice, now you know. I didn't say it in the last video. I don't know why, I just forgot. Alright, I got the Blu Snowball set up right here. I hope it's picking up the voice good enough. This is my first time filming outside in the lab with the new mic, and it should be canceling out all that background noise, all the birds and such, I hope. Maybe, I don't know, I have to see when I listen to it later on. So right here we have another HypeBeast mystery box. This is from Laced Up, and it is a $650 mystery box. So I've already done a bunch of the $100 ones, a $200 one from Laced Up, but everything up until I think around $500 is Bape only. And so the lowest tier that you can get for Supreme and Bape is the $650 box, and that's what we got right here. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right in. Alright, I give you guys the first look, but it doesn't really matter because they always come in the Laced Up bags. Alright, so we got the Laced Up bag right here. Everything is nicely individually wrapped as always. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. It feels like there's a lot of stuff in here. I didn't think there was gonna be that much stuff in a box that size. Alright, let's just go ahead. So the first thing we got is a Bape tee. This is probably picking up all of this noise, huh? I apologize. Let me try to open it up a little. So the first thing we got is a Bape Katakana tee. This one is in an interesting colorway. It's called Bloom. The colorway is Bloom. So this one's got like... So brand new Katakana tee in medium, which means it is a US small. So this is gonna just be your standard Katakana tee. Kind of interesting choice of colors. It's got blue, orange, and yellow on it. Oh yeah, and as always, the values are gonna be up on the counter someplace. I don't know exactly where it's gonna be. Maybe I'll move down so there's more space for that counter. So the next item we got in here is another shirt. This one is... Ooh! Next we got a college tee, and it's in a pretty interesting colorway as well. This is another size medium. I believe that would be a US men's small again. This one is in a... Oh, this is green. I thought it was a different color than that. But this one is in a green colorway, but it's got this nice print right here. It's kind of glittery. It's got like a metallic red and blue on it, on like this pine green colorway. I'm gonna assume these are about like $100, $120 at the most, maybe. Next, another tee. Hey, this one's kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. I have not seen this t-shirt before. This is called the Sakura Ape Head tee. This one is pretty nice. I mean, especially for the colors, I think this is a pretty sick shirt. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be females, but it's in a light purplish color. It's got some nice teal and pink on it. This is actually really sick. I have no idea what it's worth because I've never seen this one before, and I don't know if they make other colors. If they do make other colors, I might be interested in copying because this is a nice design. I'm just not really feeling the colors itself, but in general, this is a pretty sick tee. Alright, so we got 3 t-shirts right there. Oh. Alright, so next we got this, oh, I know what this is now. Okay, so this is the case for the Bape masks. So it comes in this big Bape head case, and inside we got a Bape mask right here, which is pretty sick. I have not seen one of these in person. Just wear it like that. There it is, Bape mask in purple. How did this even fit in here? It doesn't go back in. I don't remember how much the Bape masks go for. Nothing too crazy, I think, though, but that's gonna be some nice added value up there. And it's good to see something other than shirts. Next we got... Oh! You know the vibe? Oh! So, I don't know if you know, but I don't, because I never showed it in a video, but I had a Bape shark hoodie, and it was in the yellow camel, very similar to this, if not this camel right here. So I actually ended up selling that jacket. There's a picture of it, I guess, if you haven't seen it before from my Instagram. This is the same one. So this is the exact same camel that I had. So I really like this shirt. I like the color on it. So hopefully that one has some good value on it. It's probably about the same. I think all the shirts are ranging at about the same. I think all the shirts in here are going to be size mediums, which are going to fit like a US small, which is good for resale because the smaller sizes usually do good. Anyway, moving on. I hope we get more accessories, man. We're just getting a lot of t-shirts in here, to be honest. And we did, and we got another Bape Camel keychain, which I already ran a giveaway on the flaming ape head yellow keychain. So now we got another keychain right here. This one's in a nicer, it's kind of like a grayish bluish. It's a pretty nice color. And the tee is, I think we got something similar to this before. Right there you got the classic Bape college tee. This one has the red first camel on it. That one's also probably sitting at about $100. I'm not sure. The only ones I don't know is like the yellow camel one and the Sakura one, because I haven't seen those. But other than that, I'm pretty sure the rest are going for around $100. I could just get surprised and that Sakura one could be going for a lot more. I doubt it though. They're probably just chilling at about $100. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tees already, 2 accessories. See what we got inside here. So this is gonna have to be Supreme, I'm assuming, because we didn't get any Supreme yet, and it's empty now. It's supposed to be Supreme and Bape mix. I don't know, we'll see. And there's a lot of, oh jeez. Okay, first of all, there is a plethora of Supreme box logo stickers, which I got the load of these, so that's cool, but I don't really need these, but that's cool, whatever. But the t-shirt, I mean, it's not crazy in value, I think, but this one is a US size medium. So those are mediums, but I'm pretty sure they fit like smalls. This one is an actual US size medium. So that's pretty sick right there. It's the Cupid tee in like this orangish brownish colorway. Not my favorite colorway, but I do like this tee in general. I actually have no idea the value of this, but that's going to be up added to the counter. Okay, so as always, you can see the counter, you can see the total, but I can't because I haven't calculated that yet. I did that during editing. I'd say right here is a very solid $600 value, $550 to $600 value, because I know the shirts are doing a little bit better than 100, but I'm not 100% sure yet. As for the Cupid tee plus all these stickers, I guess technically these stickers are worth a little something. I would say with the shirt and all these stickers combined, if you're putting a value on the stickers, you're looking at like $100 more right here. So I would assume that we might be touching around like 700, 750 if I had to guess. You guys can see the value, I can't see the value. You can see the profit that is being made. I'll do the math right here. So that's how much paid for the box. That is the values of all the stuff. That's how much profit we can make off of this box right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna run a cinematic of all of the stuff so you can get a nice close look at everything. Cue cinematic now. So I think there was some pretty decent profit there. It's guaranteed money back. I know that there's guaranteed the $650 that we paid for. I'm not 100% sure on the total value and all that stuff. So that was the $650 laced up mystery box. And they also have a new website just for mystery boxes, and they have an $80 introduction box. I think it was $80. I might go ahead and I might buy that, and in that video I'll show you the new website and all that so you know how it works. And I will show you the cheapest mystery box that you can get. We can see what's inside, because I'm really curious what they would put in there for only $80, because the Bape shirts itself are sitting at like $100. So maybe you just get one t-shirt. I don't really know. I might go ahead and do one of those. But that is all I have for this video. I hope you have a great week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. The truth.